This is one of those watch what I ate all day long videos. And this just so happens to be a vegan food diary. So join us. I'm going to start off the day as I usually start off the day, with coffee. Now I know that's probably pretty controversial because some people are like, well, coffee's no good for you, especially first thing in the morning. Well, I need it. I need it to start my day. And I like to have a latte. And it's not your typical latte. Like, I guess people make a latte with like a whole cup of frothed milk and then like a shot of espresso. I just use super dark coffee, a ton of it. I do like an Americano, and then about a half a cup of pre-frothed milk. So I don't know if it adds up to more than a half a cup once it's frothed, but I do it in my Nespresso Arancino. And then that's almost done. I have stopped intermittent fasting while I was, FYI, I had kidney stones and I was having major lithotropesies, laser ones, not the ones that they just do outside your body. They had to go in and get these because they were big. So I said that I was going to stop the intermittent fasting until I was done with the procedures. And now I'm pretty much done with the procedures. So I'm going to start the intermittent fasting again today. Now, I don't do traditional intermittent fasting where I'll do like black coffee and, you know, no. I'm doing it more for, I want to concentrate the bulk of my calories in the latter half of the day. So I'm just going to do liquids until noon and then eat like I normally would, and then probably nothing after like 9 o'clock or so, maybe 10. I don't know. I don't really eat that much in the evening, so that's a lie. Anyway, I find that if I concentrate my calories into a smaller window that I'll eat less. And bathing suit season's coming up. We have an in-ground pool in the backyard, so I don't want to be embarrassed to go out in my backyard in a bathing suit. So I'm getting back on track starting today. And it's what? It's the beginning of March. So I have a decent amount of time. I'm not looking to drop any LBs quickly. It'd be nice if I could lose the 5 or 10 pounds that I need to lose. I noticed after I stopped the I noticed that after I stopped the intermittent fasting, like 4 pounds crept back on. So I just want to nip that in the bud, because I was happy where I was. I'd be happy to lose another 5 after that. So I'm just gonna start again today. NBD, you know, I don't want to make a big deal about it. But here, my coffee's ready. I'm using this beautiful Oatly to froth it, to make it into my version of a latte. And it does such a beautiful job with it. Oh, and it is so delicious. There's no added sugar. I'm gonna have to scrape the rest of that out because it's so beautiful. It has no added sugar, but the milk has a sweetness to it that's really nice. And even my husband is like, ooh, that's a little sweet. I like that, because he takes sugar in his coffee. I don't. But this is just beautiful. So this is my second one for the day. I'm probably gonna have at least 16 ounces of water too before I start eating at noon. So that's my morning.
Guys, what's up? So I believe Mom already started this. I was passed out on the couch this morning because I was very tired. But anyway, I did start my day with a peanut butter filled Cliff Bar. That was my pre-workout food, and now I finished my workout and it's time for my real breakfast. So I have this toasted ciabatta roll, and instead of hummus, which I've been putting on it, actually lately I've been putting peanut butter and jam, which has been delicious. But we just so happen to have one of our favorite things sitting in the fridge right now. So we have this beautiful chickpea salad. Sorry, the battery died. Okay, so we have chickpeas. We have celery, Thousand Island dressing by Just. And we also have onion, and I think that's it. So it's a little bit different than the way we've been preparing it lately. So like there's no vegan mayo or anything because we got the dressing in there. There's no pickle because pickle's in the dressing, so it's like blah, blah, blah. But it is delicious, and whew, we've really been craving it lately. It's just such a great lunch, but now I'm gonna have it for breakfast, which sounds pretty darn delicious. So I'm gonna go eat that, and we'll see what's in store for the rest of the day.
Well, I'm about to eat my breakfast in 3 minutes. Just kidding. No, I'm not that like crazy about like I can't eat for 3 minutes.
It's 11:57, by the way.
It's gotta be 12 on the dot. No. So I'm having leftover Lauren Toyota pulled pork sandwich, and by pulled pork I mean mushroom.
Nice.
Very delicious. I think it's 2 videos ago maybe, or
it's a recent one.
Yeah, just it's on the Veganist Fork channel. This channel, in case you didn't know what you were watching. And some of her coleslaw as well.
So got a nice meal there.
Delicious, yeah. And it's probably not that bad. This is probably one of the healthier things in her cookbook. A lot of the stuff is fried. We just got the cookbook, and
we're really excited about it, but also like,
you know what? We have an air fryer.
Yeah.
And we can adapt a lot of the recipes, so we can try and make them a little bit healthier, but they all look really tasty. So I'm excited to get some inspiration, some inspo from that. But I'm going to eat in now 2 minutes. I know it looks like a lot, but it's mostly mushrooms and cabbage. So
you enjoy that.
Why, thank you, I will.
It's a little after 3 and it's time for lunch.
All right, I'm having some butter lettuce with some of this salad mix. It's got a lot of purple cabbage in there.
Iceberg lettuce.
Yeah, unfortunately. We're both having this quinoa and brown rice with garlic mix.
Love it.
Seeds of change, make it convenient.
This is very much a quick throw together lunch. We didn't like make anything special here. It's just, you know.
We're putting all the money on dinner.
Got a lot of work to do this afternoon, so we don't have time to make a fun, I mean it's still a fun lunch, but it's not like a special lunch.
Sean already,
and you also have a Gardein turkey cutlet.
Yes, Sean and I'm using this, we're both using this beautiful beet balsamic vinaigrette from Aldi, which is really good. It's fresh, it's in the refrigerated section. This is a cold pressed beet juice in here.
Yep.
So it's full of antioxidants. Sean already had his lunch at program. He had the rest of the Dan Dan noodles.
Oh.
Right? Those
so
were
good.
So good. We are definitely making those again.
I'm not gonna lie, I was just looking in the fridge getting my food out, and I was kind of like, I wonder if there's anything in here.
Yeah.
But it was all gone.
But he's having leftover from last night, which was fresh mashed potatoes with asparagus and some of the Gardein turkey cutlet.
How did you prepare the asparagus?
I steamed it in the microwave for 7.5 minutes with some granulated garlic, Himalayan sea salt, pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. E-B-O-O, E-boo.
Mine's pretty similar to yours, except I don't have the iceberg.
Right, you just have the butter lettuce.
I have the butter lettuce, the beet dressing, the quinoa with brown rice, but I have, instead of the turkey, these Aldi meatballs.
Yeah, those are so good.
They are.
I really love the taste of those. Those are probably
the taste and the texture.
One of my favorite meatballs, maybe equal with Gardein meatballs.
Yeah.
That's a lot. That's saying a lot.
I'm kind of a meatball queen. I've always loved meatballs. So I love it, especially with rice. Yeah. I would love to, but my heartburn would be so triggered. Some sort of like meatball sub.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah!
I'd be thrown up in my mouth for days.
It's so cold today. I have my blanket sarong.
Yeah. All right, well let's eat this up because I gotta get back to work on dance stuff. Hey, it's snack time. I gotta go to dance in like half an hour.
I don't have to go to dance.
So
we got plate and platter. She got the plate. I got the platter.
Yeah, apple time. I've been eating an apple a day for a few weeks now, and I have to say, I'm really enjoying it.
Yeah, me too.
Fruit is nature's candy.
Although we bought some nectarines the other day, and I'm really
excited to try those.
Yeah, they're not ready yet though. That sucks, but they'll all be ready at once in this giant bag from Sam's Club.
Yeah, I like to eat the apple off the core because it's like a little bit more work, and I don't I don't know, I just enjoyed like the novelty of it. I don't know.
I don't like it getting all over my face and stuck in my teeth, so I like
don't-
to cut mine and put a little peanut butter with it sometimes.
I will agree, I have to floss like every time right after I eat an apple because I get
It's so annoying. It's so annoying.
when it gets stuck in my teeth. But it's worth it.
We have Pink Lady apples.
Oh yeah, we love Pink Lady. They're a little bit on the tart side.
Right.
Actually, they're way on the tart side, but
They're almost like Sour Patch Kids. You get like this burst of like sweetness, but they're mostly tart.
yeah.
Enjoy.
Okay.
Mm.
It's dinner time.
So we're having one of our favorite broccoli with pasta and garlic and olive
Lots
oil
and lots of garlic.
some nooch as well.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, there's some nooch in there.
I might just sprinkle a little on the top too.
Yeah, you could do that.
And then we've got the same iceberg.
Mix.
Yep.
With
We have
some
this
cucumber
beautiful-
salad.
What'd you put with
It's
the
just
cucumbers?
got a white balsamic vinaigrette.
I tried it already. It's delicious.
Thank you.
And then we also
We should have that more often.
Yeah, we should. We have the same beet dressing.
Beef
over here.
balsamic from lunch. Welcome back.
Delish.
Welcome back. Just like Cotter.
Yeah.
It's right, yeah, it's right there.
Got it.
Yeah, sprinkle that nooch. Let it rain nooch.
Yep.
I just wanted everyone to appreciate that. Oh, bye, Bobby. Oh, salami, boo.
Did you say salami?
Something like that.
Oh.
Sounded like salami. Maddie's making dessert. She's making strawberries.
Whoa, look at me.
You're like on that Miracle Worker
Just
show.
growing them.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cool,
That would be awesome.
right?
You just grow stuff like that.
It's very similar, except it takes a longer time.
No, if I could just go like this and it like comes up out of
Oh.
the ground.
Well, you'd have to be some sort of a magician
I guess so.
or an alien.
I'm not.
No. All right. Well, here's what we're having for dessert. We have the beautiful Girl Scout cookie dupe.
Yes. Recipe is up. Check it out.
I believe it's the video before this one
Mm-hmm.
for the tag along.
You will not be disappointed because that is, it's a treat.
We're gonna be making it for Easter to bring to our Easter.
That's how you know it's
dinner.
good.
If it's Easter or holiday worthy,
Don't cry.
it's just so beautiful. I wasn't crying. That was fake. That was fake. The first time I did something fake. Okay. We're gonna have these. We're gonna have the fruits that Maddie grew right here before your eyes.
And a little bit of red whip.
I don't want that.
Well, I do.
All right, I guess Sean probably does too. Make sure you shake the S out of that.
Yeah, well, let's select our cookies and say goodnight.
Yes. Mmm.
That's the one that had the peanut butter.
Oh, okay.
It
I could have that one if you don't want it.
doesn't matter. It's all good.
All right.
All right.
Wow. Nice. Shake it vertical. Yeah, there you go. All right. Sean's very
You have
excited.
dessert?
You
All
like dessert? Yeah.
Which one is yours?
I don't care. I'm the one in the middle.
Okay.
Poop it out. Oh wow.
Oh, it goes all over.
Now you're pooping out whipped cream too. Okay.
I mean, I wouldn't mind that.
You'd be very tempted.
Ew! I would not.
A gold. Upon a gold.
All right, before we have to do repeats, let's wrap this.
I'm not doing repeats.
And by repeats, we have to repeat what Sean tells us to repeat.
Alright guys, thanks so much for hanging out today. That's what we ate. And we'll
That's a
see you
whole
next
day of
time.
eating.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks again, and much love.